Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Pooja. Today I am discussing about LVS. In last video, I given some overview about the sign objects, and today I will go by one topic, and I will give some information about LVS. What is LVS? How it will work, and how exactly it is working, and what is the importance of the LVS in the analog layout and sign objects, and why we have to do this. LVS is a layout versus schematic. We need it because we want to know whether our chip will working as same as schematic whatever we designed or not. To check it whether it is similar to schematic or not, we go for the LVS check. Our layout should be same as a schematic. So for that purpose, we go for the LVS to check electrically whatever design is there, it should same. Like connectivity, property error, or else instance, whatever. It should port, label, anything it will check for all the things. So in LVS, there is mainly three times how it will check for those things means. First, LVS undergo like layout, caliber check for first layout and schematic. It will extract the netlist, both schematic and layout. It will extract the netlist. Then go the process under reduction. Reduction in the sense it will reduce the all the parallel and series connection and reduce like how register will reduce in parallel if this resistor is having 3 ohm and this is having 2 ohm, how it will reduce in one resistor, like that it will also do the same function reduction. It will reduce the netlist. Then go under the comparison. Both will compare and then result will come in the database, and this is the process how it will exactly work. So layout and schematic, it really works like this. And what errors it will throw, I already said those only. Opens means whatever connection we didn't done, those opens it will show. Shorts, if anything short between two metals which is not correct, like schematic connection. If in example, if some net, it is a net 1 and I'm connecting it to some net 3, but in layout I have done a little change, like if net 1 is directly connected to some other node like net 5, then it will throw the error, because in schematic it is connected to net 3, but in layout it is connected to net 5. It will give shorts or connectivity error. And property error. Property error occurs if schematic is having some transistor It is one transistor. Now it is width and length of the it is length of the channel and this width. If it is something 40 nanometer and this is something like 5.5 micron. What happens if schematic is like this, but in layout, if I'm taking instead of 40 nano, if I'm keeping it 20 nano or something other than this, then it will give as a property error because our instance will mismatch and it will throw the property error. And also it may throw some missing component, something like that. Missing components, okay, missing component is different thing. It will throw the property error. Missing component is if I am, best example is a dummy. When I add dummy in the schematic, or else if we want to overcome the LD effects, we normally go through the adding dummy. So when we add layout dummies, but we forget to add the schematic dummies, that time also it will give the missing component. I'm just giving some normal example. Okay. It will throw if schematic having some more instance, whatever layout won't having. If layout is having more instance than schematic, then that time also it will occur. Then soft check error. Soft check error. It is actually the base layer error. If any base layer is short to another, it will give the soft check error or ERC error or stamping conflict. Exactly how short check error will occur means I am having NVL, but PMOS always connected to VDD. All you know, because it is a pull-up transistor, so it will connect to VDD always. This is my VDD. Okay. Now, sometime what happens? Always we won't connect to VDD. Sometimes we want to connect source somewhere to VSS, but body connection is VDD. So indirectly, it will throw the error, that is soft check error, because both are shorting. It should connect at a zero potential, but here we connected to VSS, here we connected to VDD. So it will give error. And this is about short check error. And ERC. ERC is an electrical rule check. It is also give error like if electrically any incorrectness will occur, then it will give the ERC error like float. If some NVL is floating, I will give example. PMOS, okay, we will take NMOS. NMOS is having body connection P substrate, but always NMOS should be in P substrate and PMOS should be in N substrate. But if in the case for NMOS, if we give NVL, then it is electrically incorrect. Instead of PMOS, if we put NVL, NMOS in NVL, it will give the error as a ERC error. And if we won't connect something gate or NVL or PVL somewhere, it will also throw the ERC error because it is a floating. This about the electrical rule check. And what else remaining? Component mismatch we covered, property error we covered, missing component we covered, then connectivity error we completed. Okay, these all about errors. So if you have any query, you can ask or comment me. I will reply for those. We will see now what is the order of fixing, how we can fix this thing. First of all, we should fix shorts. It is not mandatory, but there is a something like we should fix in this order. Then we can get easily and we can solve the errors easily. Order of fixing LVS. Normally, first we solve shorts, then opens. Why only shorts first? Means normally, see what happens. Sometime our connectivity may wrong. Like if I am connecting this net, here one net is there, here one net is there. If I am connecting this one to this, and in our schematic that is something other. Okay, something like it is having some series connection instead of this parallel. So normally what happens, if we go directly for shorts, here indirectly we are creating the property error, connectivity error, and some other errors. So many errors will come. If we solve these shorts automatically, so if we solve this error automatically, connectivity error will go, property error will go, all errors will go. Sometimes if really property error will be there, then it will come. Otherwise property error will won't come, because in layout Excel, if we are using layout L, then it will throw errors. But in layout Excel, we will generate the all the instance, so there is a lower chance of coming the property error and instance mismatches, those things, component mismatches. Because normally we generate, so it won't take any length width automatically. So it will come whatever schematic is. So first we solve the shorts, opens, then we go for the soft check error, soft check, ERC, stamping conflict, those error, then connectivity error, then we go for the last one is property error. And this is all about the LVS. If you having any doubt in the LVS, or you want to ask anything about LVS, how it is, like any doubt, you can ask. And if you like my video, please share, comment, and like the video, and please subscribe my channel. And you can share with your friends. They also get to know what is the LVS and how it will work. So thank you for watching, and thank you. Bye.